Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix how to remove the system requirement not met watermark error in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After that, first of all select a HKey current user and expand it. After that, select a control panel and expand it. After that, right click on the control panel and go to your new and set a new key and type a name is unspotted hardware notification cache. U is a capital, unspotted hardware. H is a capital, notification N is a capital, and cache C is a capital. After I select it, right click new and set a default 32-bit value. Type a SV2 and open it and set a value data is 0. So I have already selected a 0 and click on OK button. Close it, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.